Hello friends, welcome to Fun Electronics. In this video, we are going to see how to set up voltage follower circuit in Tinkercad and how we can simulate using this. So first of all, we need one operational amplifier, two power supply, two oscilloscope, and a function generator. First, we connect the function generator to non-inverting input. In plus mean non-inverting input. Then one oscilloscope is directly connected to the input signal, so I connect this to the input signal. Inverting input is directly connected to the output. Negative end of the one power supply is connected to the positive end of other power supply. That will make this one is positive 15 voltage, this one is negative 15 voltage. We need the output waveform, so I connect to the output. So this is our circuit. We have to set the oscilloscope time per division 0.01 second. This one also same. So this is this voltage will be 15 and this also 15 voltage. So our signal is 10 Hertz frequency, 2 voltage peak to peak sine wave. The offset of the waveform is 0. So then the voltage follower circuit means output signal is same as the input signal. So let's run the simulation. So here it's total 4 voltage, is 2 voltage peak to peak sine wave. So output here, this one also total 4 voltage, so this one should be 2 voltage peak to peak sine wave. So it's follow the input signal. So this is the circuit of the voltage follower circuit. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.